Melanie Bruce. My teeth issue started from childhood, from the time I had teeth. I think I spent more time in the dentist chair than most people do in a lifetime. When my permanent teeth started to come in, there were actually 2 sets of permanent teeth and a lot of my teeth, over half, so they had to go in and recut those out. So I've never had a full set of teeth ever. I should have a bright smile, and I don't. My teeth are just crumbling. They're ugly, they're yellow. Eating is a chore. I'm not half as social as I ever used to be, and I'm a very big people person. I love to laugh, I love to talk. I have researched the process of implants for years, and I never really found myself comfortable when I would visit a different dentist or specialist. Finding Dr. Brock was, wow, it was heaven sent. I have prayed and prayed and prayed about this for a long time, and finding him was the answer. I was comfortable. I felt like I meant something than just a dollar sign to him. And after meeting with him, it clicked into my heart and my brain that this isn't just a money issue, it's a me issue, and it's an investment in me. And if I can't invest in myself, who can I invest in? And thank goodness, things have worked out that I've been able to accomplish this, and I'm thrilled. I'm a little nervous, but I'm thrilled that I found him. It really was a blessing.
When I had the first occasion to meet Melanie, we first of all met in our small consultation room, and really I like to meet people for the first time before we go back into a treatment area. And one of the things that she shared with me is that she is so frustrated with not being able to eat and chew food. And so she indicated that the problems are existing on both sides of the fence. So her upper arch and lower arch were both involved. And also that if we're going to create any meaningful solution, we have to treat the problem on both sides. So we had to create an upper and a lower plan of care that could be done. So we discussed creating a one-day surgical event and going through and converting her from where she was to where she wanted to be. Now, we involved Melanie in the process as I took impressions and molds, and we mounted casts, and I went through and modeled out an ideal proposal, correcting her bite, bringing teeth back in proper relationship, respecting the joint and the muscles. Once we did that, we then turned our physical models into digital scans, and I started working with Nate, and Nate did a 3D facial image. So we can plan a whole surgical event where we remove the failing teeth, we place dental implants in both arches, we place fixed bridges in both arches, and we do that in one sedation visit for the patient. And we can do that with minimal disturbance to the remaining tissues around the area. So our whole goal is for a comfortable experience with minimal discomfort and very rapid recapturing of what's been lost. So before she left in that same day, she had a smile that she could look at and enjoy.
Dr. Brock and his team have been absolutely phenomenal. Had my surgery yesterday and came in. They made me completely comfortable, gave me a little bit of medication to kind of relax me, and did the surgery. And even post-op right after, I was good. Went home, just went to sleep. Life was great, amazing. I couldn't ask for any better. I've been in the medical field a long time in my life, and I've seen people come and people go, nursing staff, doctors, and his staff here is phenomenal. I'm happier, a little easier on the smiles, smile more often. Even to my husband, I smile more often. And people notice. I've had a lot of people say, "You have such a pretty smile today, oh my goodness." So I'm good. When the surgery was over and my husband came in to get me, he just had that look on his face like, wow, holy cow, she looks amazing. And he even said, wow. And it made me feel a lot better inside, knowing that he thinks of me that way still. Me, I'm a Christian woman, and I pray about things all the time, and I have prayed and prayed and prayed about having my teeth done, and coming here and meeting Dr. Brock after meeting with several other dentists before this. This is the place, this is the time for me, and he is truly he is the answer to my prayer. He really is. I can't even, I don't know how else to describe it. He's given me my life back. So I just want to tell Dr. Brock, thank you. From the bottom of my heart. This has been unbelievable. It's been a dream come true, and he made it happen. So I just want to tell him thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.